Have you ever wondered if your tax refund is at risk if you owe child support? It's a valid concern for many. Let's break down the relationship between child support arrears and your tax refund. 1. Federal Tax Offset Program. The U.S. Department of Treasury runs the Federal Tax Refund Offset Program in collaboration with state child support agencies. If you owe past due child support and the state reports it to the Treasury Department, your federal tax refund can be intercepted to cover the arrears. 2. State tax refunds. Depending on your state's regulations, state tax refunds might also be subject to interception for child support arrears. It's essential to check with your local child support agency for specifics. 3. Notification. Before any offset occurs, you'll receive a notice detailing the amount of past due support, how much of your refund will be taken, and instructions on how to contest the debt amount if you believe it's incorrect. 4. Joint returns. If you're married and file a joint tax return, your spouse's portion of the refund might also be at risk. However, they can file an injured spouse claim with the IRS to protect their share of the refund. 5. Other federal payments. It's not just tax refunds. Other federal payments, like federal retirement benefits, can also be intercepted if you owe child support. If you're behind on child support, consider contacting your local agency to discuss payment arrangements or modifications. The Dispute Panda community offers valuable insights for those navigating the complexities of child support and its impact on finances. Engage with the platform, set up your Dispute Panda account for expert advice, and remember to like and follow for continuous updates.